In this video, we'll be showing you how to password protect a product, which can be used so only those customers who enter the password will be able to purchase that particular product. First, log in as an administrator. Then from the main navigation, head to Admin, Events, and then select Tickets and Products from the Manage menu of the relevant event. Then select Edit from the Manage menu of the product you would like to password protect. Scroll down until you reach the product password field. Enter your own password for the product. It will need to have a minimum length of 5 characters and a maximum of 20 characters and is not case sensitive. Then click on the Update Product button. You will be able to view which products are password protected from the product admin page. You can then send the password to the relevant customers. On the shop page, products cannot be purchased unless the password has been entered, and therefore the following will show. Once the product password has been entered, the usual purchase options will be visible. If you would like to remove the password at any point, simply return to the product page, delete the password, and click on the Update Product button. And that's it, you now know how to password protect your product. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.